Hey, are you looking to buy a home in Albany? Welcome to 1112 Kains Avenue. This is a fantastic home, offering 4 bedrooms, 2.5 baths, tastefully remodeled throughout, and has a lot to offer. Are you ready? Come on in, let's take a closer look. Hey guys, so what do you think about this home so far? I love the modern design of this home. There's enough room to raise a family, an in-home office, and much more. Come check out this cozy backyard. Nicely landscaped with multiple balconies. There's plenty of room for entertaining or gardening. Kains is perfectly located with a high walk score, making this home very walkable, bike-friendly, with local parks, restaurants, 2 blocks from Sprout Farmers Market, 2 blocks from Gleaming Street in Berkeley, where all the actions are. Whole Foods, Phil's Coffee, Westbury Beer Garden, you name it. We're within 1 mile of all the prestigious schools in Albany, from elementary to high school. 5 minutes drive locally to El Cerrito or North Berkeley Bart. Easy access to freeway. This is such a perfect fit if you are looking for your forever home. Thanks for taking a tour, guys. I can't wait to show you in person. We're located at 1112 Kains Avenue in Albany. For more information, please check our website or give us a call. We'll see you here soon.